was just going to show everybody kind of what we are doing different here. So this is a standard hurricane clip. It's called an H2.5. It's a Simpson product that basically you put on the rafters. It ties it down so the rafter gets nailed here, and then this ties into the top plate. But since we put this piece of what we call deadwood here to tie the air barriers together, I can't get that up in there. So just normally it would sit like that, and then this end would tie back here and be strapped down. Actually, you can see that right out here on this back porch of how that would normally go on. Okay, so we're like, okay, well, I got to figure out a better way. So we initially got some of these frame fast screws and had this tool here, but I realized that this little head right here was not strong enough to actually go through our LSL studs. So the idea is this one screw takes the place of that bracket, and you put it in here like a 22-degree angle, and you go right up through that and screw it down.
Who came up with that?
What's that?
Who came up with that idea?
Well, you got all these fun structural engineers and people, you know, because you run into things like that, right? So what actually gets built doesn't always necessarily work out with standard run-of-the-mill engineering specs. So instead of using that screw, they sent us these things that are called Timberloks, and these are even beefier than the other ones. So what I've been doing now is running these screws up through the bracket. So now that instead of having a little tiny head, I've got a hex head here that can really grab on. And so let me see, I'll do this one on this side first. I'll show you. And that looks about 22 degrees. You think so? So basically you just get started here, and then it's going to be pretty loud. So did you see how that, I don't know if you saw that on camera, but it drew these two top plates together, and then it just sandwiched everything together. So that screw went through these two pieces of wood, this piece of wood, and then into this one on the other side of that. So now that's tight and secure. I've only had to do about 100 of these though. So we got to get up like 13 feet here in the garage. Going up real tall here. But I gotta be very careful because it's going to go right on top of this one. So you get started and you kind of turn it up a little bit. That's it.